Hi everyone, once again welcome back to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Those who want the offline installer or standalone installer of Mozilla Firefox, for them I'm just going to show you how to get the offline installer, the latest version from the official source of Mozilla. So first of all, I'm going to Google Chrome, and on Google I'm just typing Mozilla Firefox offline installer, and there you'll be able to find Mozilla Firefox for all. Okay, this one, simply hit to there. And now to download the offline installer, you will have some options here. Okay, first of all, if you click on Firefox, it will show you some other options too: beta, developer option, nightly, etc. You can also use beta version, developer edition. And to inform you, developer edition is one of the best edition for the coders. Okay, I often use this edition for my coding experience. Okay, if you are just a dark theme lover, then you can use Firefox nightly. Okay, but I'm just going to use Firefox in general. And then the bit, from here you can choose 64-bit or 32 or the Linux you want. If you're a Mac user, then you can also choose it. I'm just going to choose 64-bit, and the language you can see here, English by default. And now just clicking on download, and it's showing me to download. It is 49 MB in size, so it is offline installer. Clicking start download. Okay, it's downloaded, and I'm just going to open it. And yep, as you can see, Firefox installer. And if I check the properties, now it has 49.3 MB, okay, in size. And this is the official offline installer of the latest Firefox from the official source of Mozilla. And by this way, simply download it, and you can now install it anywhere you want without internet connection. And by this way you can get it. I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box. If you have any question, any query or any problem, then please feel free to write us on the comment box, and we will try our level best to help you. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.